Congratulations on becoming a new Creator 5 user. Now follow this video to get started quickly. Connect the power cord and switch on the printer. After startup, follow the steps to complete initialization. Select language. Run calibration. The screen displays in sequence. Leveling. Vibration compensation. Extruder offset calibration. Finish setup. Each new device comes with default models that can be printed directly. A quick tip. Before loading filament, press and hold the cutter, push the filament all the way to the bottom, then release. For unloading, do the same. Hold the cutter and pull the filament straight out. Before printing a new 3D model, it must be sliced using presets that match your printer. Log in to the Flashforge official website and click Download Flash Studio Desktop. Bind the printer. Before binding, the printer must be connected to a network. Tap Setting Network, turn on the Wi-Fi switch, and select the desired wireless network to connect. From the App Store, register your Flashforge account and log in. Tap Setting to enter the settings interface. Use Flash Studio Mobile to scan the QR code on the printer screen to bind the printer to your account. Drag the model file into the software, then slice it according to your needs. There are two ways to print. One is to send the file directly to a paired printer. The other is to transfer the file via a USB flash drive for printing. Which one you choose depends on your personal preference. Now try printing it yourself. If you enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe to us, and let's have fun with 3D printing together.